so first thing is, you must get the indicator on your PC. Once it's on your PC, locate the indicator, right click on it and say copy. Close the tab. Then you will see on your MetaTrader 5 at the top left corner there's a button file. Click on that, open data folder, MQL5, then make sure you go to indicators and paste your indicator there. Right click on the space and just paste it there. I already pasted it. Then you need to locate the navigator bar. You see mine is already here. Let's close it. At the top left corner there's a button view. Click on that. There's the navigator bar. Then it appears. Make sure you refresh. Right click on the indicator. Refresh it. Then you drag the indicator to the chart. And then you say allow modification of signal settings. And there you are done. Then you can just close the navigator bar. If you want more pairs, make sure go to view, market watch, and you can right click on a pair and just say chart window.